Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the USB debugging in this device. So before enable the USB debugging, we need to enable the developer options. For this, go to settings and scroll down. At the bottom, tap on the option about phone, tap on this one. Again scroll down, tap on device identifiers. Then to enable the developer options, tap on 7 times on the build number. Okay. You can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, tap on system. You can see developer options. Now the developer options is enabled. Open this one, then scroll down. Then you can see under debugging, you can see the option USB debugging. To enable USB debugging, turn on this one, tap on OK. Now the USB debugging is enabled. So simply in this way you can enable the USB debugging in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.